Ayun, click natin yung new class. Tapos may prompt na lalabas. Diyan, lalagay mo dyan yung name ng student. It's either you have to type or yung sa akin to make sure na yun talaga yung student. Kina-copy-paste ko lang siya from the timetable. Ayan, tapos lalabas yung create and enter class. So, just have to make sure na tama yung kina-paste mo na name and then lalabas ito. So, usually pwedeng lesson agad or sa akin kasi I'm used to click the new class. Tapos yan, lesson. Tapos punta tayo sa date and time. So, today is September 19 and kailangan ko i-set for tomorrow's class. So, I click 20 and then yung tamang time for the student's class. Now, you have to click OK before you click post. Kasi kung diretso mong i-click post without clicking the OK, magiging instant yung klase mo. So, instead na 10:30, magiging now siya. Or yun. Tapos, eto, tingnan mo yan, may notif. Punta ka doon. So, hindi pa naka-add dyan sa klase nyo yung student. So, add member. Lalabas yan siya. Magre-redirect yan dun sa contacts. Ayan. It's either you type or kung makita mo dyan sa suggestions, you just have to click. Ayan. So, ayan, nakita ko lang siya dyan. Ayan. And then I click and then make sure to click OK. And exit mo lang yan. And then balik ka dun sa chat sa chats and then makikita mo dyan the student joined the class. Yun yung palatandaan mo na kasama na siya dyan and mag-a-appear na sa class in account niya yung class na sinet mo. Or else you have to send the link para makapag-join. Anyway, that is all for now. And you can also check here. Ayan, sa gilid. And yan, makikita mo rin. And also here. Okay, yan, mabilisan lang. Yung Tagalog version para mabilis lang natin mag-gets. Anyway, thank you so much for watching.